Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. Mahindra themselves have released the teaser videos of every specific variant of the new XUV 700. In this video, we are going to cover the base level MX variant of the XUV 700, including its engine and transmission options and all the features available. First, let's talk about the seating configuration. All variants of the XUV 700 will be available as either a 5-seater or a 7-seater. For now, Mahindra has revealed prices of the 5-seater versions of the MX variant, with the 5-seater petrol manual available for Rs 11.99 lakh ex-showroom, while the diesel manual variant is available at Rs 12.99 lakh ex-showroom. Talking about engine options, all variants of the XUV 700 will be available with the very same 2-liter turbocharged M-Stallion petrol engine, producing 200 PS of maximum power and 380 Nm of maximum torque. On the other hand, while the 2.2-liter M-Hawk 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine will be available across all variants, this base level MX variant is slightly lesser in terms of power, producing 155 PS of maximum power and 360 Nm of maximum torque. On this base level MX variant, the XUV 700 will be available only with a 6-speed manual gearbox, with a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission to be offered later. Now let's talk about the features to be available on this MX variant. Surprisingly, for an entry-level variant, this model is loaded with a good number of features, especially in this price range. Standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen system with Android Auto and a reverse parking sensor monitor, a 4-speaker audio system, steering-mounted audio controls, an analog-based instrument cluster with a 7-inch multi-information display, all 4 power windows with electronically adjustable ORVMs, LED turn indicators on the ORVMs, remote central locking with flip key, tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, a height adjustable driver seat, electronically operated air conditioning with rear AC vents, day-night adjustable IRVM, split folding and reclining second row seats, and flat folding third row seats. While this base level MX variant does not offer a rear windshield wiper or washer, it will still offer dual barrel headlamps and 17-inch steel wheels as standard. Unlike the higher spec variants, this base level MX variant will also not offer LED DRLs or front fog lamps. That said, standard safety features to be expected on this base level MX variant includes dual airbags, all-wheel disc brakes, ABS with EBD, ESP, traction control, hill hold assist, rollover mitigation, brake disc wiping, secondary collision mitigation, electronic brake prefill, and torque vectoring by braking. That was a quick walkthrough of the specifications and features of the Mahindra XUV 700's base level MX variant. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the Mahindra XUV 700 flagship SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.